What's up, guys? Okay, good. Still trying to frighten people out. Yeah, I know. Okay, so guys, let's focus on the triangle stranglehold. Let's do one that's very like, I know we just released a really long video on the finishing mechanics. Okay, so if you're bored to watch all of that, watch this one. Okay, here we go. Okay, you want that? All right. Okay, but let's add something new to this. Okay, so from here, guys. Okay, if I'm in the close guard, this posture Iya has, I don't want to do the triangle. Okay, if she's very near me, elbows down. Okay, like this, smashing me, I can't do the triangle. Hands on the mat. Look, hands on the mat, elbows off the mat. That's the time. Okay, that's the trick. Okay, to do the triangle. So there are many ways you can do it. One really easy way is to grab the neck with the collar tie. See this? And the other hand, grab the wrist. Pin the wrist to the body. Now watch this one, guys. Okay, this is the setup for it. Just remember, you gotta trap one arm and one head. So look, I put my foot on the mat. I move my hips away from the arm I'm pushing. Then I throw my legs on top. Now I got the arm. Okay, and then now from here it's the same thing. I hold I can hold the head, scoop the leg, attack the triangle here. I can also switch back and attack the triangle this way. Especially if she go back 1 second. If she moves backwards, go ahead. You gotta pull her forward to hit this move, right? Just move back. If you move back, you're not gonna be able to lock the triangle. You're better off switching to the arm bar. See? However, if they try to stack, that's where we move, and then now we can lock. Sorry. Yeah, it's really bad. You didn't want that, sorry. Yeah. Okay, so really quick. Now we're doing some setups, okay? So hold the head, so let's say he's here. If he's here, pull me down a bit with the legs. Good. Now grab the head, collar tie. Good. Yeah, with the left. Left collar tie, this one, grab this. He's gonna try to get it out, okay? Pin it to the body. Now put your right foot on the mat, hip out, and jump your leg over my elbow to the shoulder. Yes. And then now from here, continue hold. That's cool. Then you go the other way now. Oh, look at that. So tight, it's like a tourniquet. Okay, one more. Okay, so we're here. Okay, the guy's here. Look, pinch your knees. Okay, pull him in, off balance, and every boom. Once this happens, collar tie immediately. Yes, as I pull out, try to take out whatever. You grab the hand, boom. As you push, foot down, right foot, hip out, jump, and look at this detail. Relax. When you're pushing the hand, look, she's pushing. When she jumps the leg, when the thigh touches the forearm, let go of the hand. You don't want your hand in the triangle too. So when the thigh hits the forearm, let go and let the leg take over. Okay, so one more time. So we're here, boom, close guard, leg raise, hand spin, collar tie. As I try to get out of this, boom, yes.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, hip out, yes. That's the jump, good. Now scoop the leg. Unlock your legs. Yeah, and as I pull away, you even get to worse. Yes. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that one. Want more on the finishing mechanics? Watch the long video. Okay, ready? Here we go.